Let's dive into how to create a Laravel project with Livewire and Breeze and build a simple to-do component. Let's get started. First, let's create a Laravel project. Open your terminal and run this command. This sets up a new Laravel project named Livewire Breeze. Navigate to your project directory. Now you are inside your project folder. Next, we need to install Livewire Breeze. Head to the documentation and copy the installation code. Paste it in your terminal and run this. During installation, you will be prompted to select a stack. Choose Livewire with Alpine. Great, Livewire is now installed. Open your browser and go to livewirebreeze.test to see your Laravel project in action. Register a new user to make sure everything is working fine. Now let's create a new to-do component. We will need a model and a migration. This command creates both the model and migration files. We will create two columns, one for the task description and another to indicate whether the task is done or not, which will be set to false by default. After setting up the columns, we will run the migration to apply these changes to our database. Next, we will create a Livewire component for our to-do list. Run this command. This creates the to-do list Livewire component. Go to the blade file for this component, paste the template code from the Tailwind component site in the blade file. Define the necessary variable in your Livewire component class. Add a mount function to initialize the data when the component loads. Create a function to add new task. Include validation in your add task function to ensure data is correct. Once the new task is created and added to our task array, we will reset the new task input field to an empty string to prepare for the next entry. Let's add these two functions. One to mark tasks as done and another to remove tasks. In the mark as done function, we find the task using the ID and update its done status to true. In the remove task function, we will find the task ID and delete it. Include your Livewire component in your dashboard view. Go to your terminal and run npm rundev. This compiles your front-end assets and ensure everything is up to date. Head back to your dashboard in browser to see your Livewire component in action. Try creating a task. It's a mass assignment exception. Go to your to-do model and add the fillable property. Now create a new task. The design isn't looking right. Let's fix it. Go back to the blade file for your Livewire component. Remove the hover classes and this will fix the issue. Save your changes and refresh the page. It looks like we are not getting fresh data. So we will add the following code in our functions to ensure the task list is updated in the real time. Check your component again to ensure everything is working smoothly. And that's it. You have just created a Laravel project with Livewire and Breeze, built a to-do list app and fixed some common issues. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment below with any questions, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe Zunction for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.